Charlie Kirk was not an activist. He was just a pastor moving around telling people the Bible. They would ask him about politics. Then he says, but I support this side based on my principles as a Christian. Your preachers are simply politicians behind pulpit. So they don't care about what scriptures say. In our ministry, we say, shut up when the Bible is talking. The Bible will be able to oppose me and oppose what I do. I have to look at it and say, yeah, I do it. And the Bible says no. So I'm sinning, but I know exactly what the Bible is saying. Don't sin and then say it's allowed in the Bible. So the preachers you have, some of them want to be in Congress. So what they are looking for are votes. They're not looking to go to heaven. And I've got a plethora of everything that the Republican Party stands for. If you are in the Democratic Party, they call you the left. If you are in the Republican, they call you the right. Ecclesiastes 10 verse number 2, ESV. A wise man's heart inclines him to the right, but a fool's heart to the left. A wise man's heart inclines him to the conservatives. A fool's heart goes to the Democrats.